ready!
Alright, so we got 5 never have I ever questions. If you raise your paper and it says have, you have to explain your side of the story. Got it?
Got it!
This is going to be fun.
First one. Never have I ever eaten a bug. What bug did you have to eat, Carl?
Well, one time I was camping with Jenny and Sheen, and we were having lunch. So I thought I was eating chocolate raisins when really I was eating a beetle.
That's not funny.
It was so disgusting. I could still taste it in my mouth.
Well, I'm glad I'm not you. Second question.